Hello everyone, it is Craig and Ryno here. If you can't figure out where here is, we are outside of the Contemporary. Lucky and unlucky for us, it's another day of crappy weather and rain.
Another day of rain.
Yeah, right now we have a little bit of relief from it. So we're going to show you some of the shopping they have here at the Contemporary, other things you can do to kill some time, take the monorail all the way around, stop at Polynesian, Grand Floridian, and just kind of showcase what you can do if you don't want to necessarily go off into the Magic Kingdom. So let's go up, let's get started, let's show you what the Contemporary has to offer.
That's all right, just come on down.
The BVG.
BVG, it's like, not to be confused with the BFG.
Oh yes. Okay, you got some.
Wait.
You got all the dishware and stuff. Your normal standard cut. Oh, that's a good job. You found all the Contemporary merchandise. So we got some hats, some turvis, tumblers, and
I like these ones.
some mugs. Oh yeah, you got them big ones. Yeah.
You can clip that
That's
on
there. You got it's like a magnet and a luggage tag and a keychain. So lots of cool stuff from here. And then of course over here. Oh yeah, Ryno's very happy with the gay cupcakes.
22, 29 cents.
It's what? Oh, okay. Oh look, they're celebrating dads.
Is Father's Day this weekend?
It is
Coming
this
up.
month.
Toffee, that's tempting.
Yeah, that is. So let's keep our
I forgot
tour
there was a
going.
bakery in here.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just tripped you.
So you got some 2016 merchandise over there, or 2017. Gosh, I forgot what year it is. It's a good thing they don't have a ton of merchandise. It says what year it is. More stuff over here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I could see you in that one day.
It's got pockets.
Pockets.
I can hold my things. Like my dignity.
Gosh. Oh,
My favorites.
Lana. From Alda to Jared Mariyama.
Yeah, he's got multiple prints.
Yeah, lots of stuff. Boom. So, moving right along. And then, as you see all the way down,
They have fine art here too.
I got everything down there. Shirts and hats and ties. Get on there.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, they got all the fancy stuff here.
Like these socks with hats on them.
Yeah, you know, for when you're in a sock hat mood. So, yeah. We ready to move on out
think
of
so.
the BVG?
Yeah, let's go out of this
Okay.
way.
Are we doing one long tracking shot like we're in Children of Men?
Hopefully.
Your favorite Clive Owen movie?
I can't think of a better one to say.
Michael
right now.
Caine's also in it?
Michael Caine.
Michael Caine. Okay, let's enter the Fantasia shop from the back. What are you laughing about?
Nothing.
Oh, crap, I forgot about the Fantasia market back here, too. Let's hit that first.
I didn't even know this was a. I don't know if I knew this was a thing. Oh, this is like their like.
If you need stuff for, like, DVC, booze, and all that, so, yeah.
Wine.
Dark and mysterious in here. So if if you really want to pay $5.79 for a Tombstone pizza, get on it.
6 times the price it is in the regular store.
No. Tombstone is always of the highest of qualities.
You're thinking of Freschetta.
Okay. Well, let's go back over to the fun Fantasia store.
Child, I was worried you were going to step on.
She's just a child. Fantasia.
It's all your stuffed animals.
Yeah.
Like more kid-centric stuff.
Yeah. Not for the kids at heart, just for the plain kids. On the plushes.
Or that flower.
They gave you a 12-hour on your first stop.
Gosh.
Oh, I haven't been able to find these for forever. VHS tape.
Those are a cool one. Just like you.
I don't want Beauty and the Beast that one. Like,
Oh, and they got some comics over here. They have more of the Tiki Room comics. We got a lot of the comics.
oh, good. They
Look at them all up there. Look at them all up in the second row.
The Haunted Mansion ones? Yeah. Cool.
Got a lot of stuff. Look at books.
They got
vinyl
vinyl records over here, too.
Yeah, they have all the vinyls.
Next to the pop
Ugh. Cell phone cases. All the pens. Not pens, pins.
Pins. Not a pin.
Catch up puzzles and the board game. Monorail sets. Tons of pirate stuff because why not pirate right now? Okay.
It can be a backpack while you run. While you run.
Okay, let's move on to the arcade.
One that lights up all everywhere.
Brought your quarters with you.
The game station.
What fun games do they have in here?
I bet none.
That's my
let's
money's
walk
on
in.
that one too. Fruit Ninja.
Okay, that's large.
We got skee ball.
Skiball.
Pod racing. Yippee!
That's pod racing.
You got it all.
So that is a walk around the concourse here at the Contemporary. We're going to head over to the Polynesian and we are going to continue this little tour of ours.
On the monorail?
On the monorail.
Monorail.
On the monorail. What a good monorail ride. Just 2 stops over. Just have to stop at the TTC and then you're here at the Polynesian Village Resort. So there's lots of good stuff here to do over the course of 2 floors and spread out around. So why are we even wasting time talking about it?
I want to go do some shopping.
Yeah, let's go do it. Let's go. Moana.
Is this always called Moana?
It has been for a while. It was like they knew.
Yeah.
Because Moana means ocean.
Oh.
So. I like it. I'm pretty sure they're playing the background music here now that they play in Alani.
Ah.
Yeah. In terms of kids shopping, right now the Fantasia store has them very far beat.
Yeah.
There's not a lot going on here, so let's move into the next section. Hello. Kid cuisines. Want a kid cuisine?
I'm eyeballing that
Maybe
burrito.
a burrito? $3.99 freezer burrito? How can you go wrong?
How? Then just step out into the hot Florida heat.
Yeah, right?
Nothing bad will happen to your tummy.
Of course you do have Ohana and Kona right across the way, but
We didn't make a reservation.
we didn't, so we're gonna have to reserve our judgment on that for another day.
Wait, have you seen the Hidden Mickey? I almost fell down
No.
the stairs. Okay, so it's in one of these. Is this it?
I mean, you can call that one.
No, there's one that's like very.
That one's pretty pronounced.
I think that one's it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it was over here. But
I'll say that one's it.
that's something you can do too. You can like either Google it or get one of those Hidden Mickey books and walk around the resort and try and find them all. Because there's one on the ground somewhere.
It's raining outside. Not enough people are wearing ponchos though.
I'm wearing my Walt Disney World rain jacket.
Yeah.
It's very warm.
Luckily, you can just barely make it to the pineapple lanai outside if you wanna really get a Dole Whip. Still afraid of rain.
You get there's that fancy cup. I think you can get it in now too. Collectible cup.
The skull cup?
Is that what is it? A skull?
No, they don't have the skull cups here. That's only inside the parks. You haven't even seen that yet.
No, is that a thing?
Oh, it's a thing.
Oh gosh, we're gonna have to go do a separate vlog about
Yeah.
this. Now I know where we're going tomorrow. One of my favorite gift shops here.
The Boutiki.
Yeah.
Oh,
Squeeze all the
oh
statues.
yeah, the
butts.
Honolulu cookie. These are the cookies that Pete always brings back. The Honolulu Cookie Company.
These are good.
He's obsessed with these things. That's good.
I don't know if I've had this one before. Guava
I have.
ones.
Yeah, no, I have.
Those are good.
No, that's awesome.
All those cookies, yeah.
That's really cool. So,
I didn't know they had those here.
these are recently new. They weren't here the last time I was here. Got all your Stitch artwork, and you can buy the lamp that they have in the rooms. Very expensive.
I know, I love this guy.
Very expensive. More Lilo and Stitch. It's all over the place. So,
They're Hawaiian.
oh, Ryno, I spot your Beauty and the Beast notebook over there too.
Ah, what the Lion King or Aladdin?
They'll have them back. You're obsessed.
I am.
You got.
Once I can't have it, that's what I want. I'll show you my favorite thing. This guy.
Yeah.
I want one of these someday because the light flickers on it. I just think he's really cool.
How much? 50?
55.
55.
Yeah, so I think he's gone up in price.
Yeah, I think he's $5 more now. Not bad still. Let's go look at the rest of the tiki stuff. Got some of the more resort merch.
Look for the young ones too.
For the babies.
Yeah. It's very Michael Bowling shirt. Oh, these are cool. $20. They're playing the Lilo and Stitch soundtrack. I say that because that soundtrack is a majority of it.
Yeah. Well, I mentioned up above, I mentioned the Alani soundtrack. They have it right here. It's all Hawaiian covers of Disney songs.
Oh, that's cool.
But it's in Hawaiian, so it's really cool.
These are exclusive into here, right? Because
Yeah.
these aren't Trader Sam's ones. This one is, but these ones.
Yeah. Well, that's an old one. They used to use that for the hippopotami tie.
Because this is the
before they
Disneyland
got
one.
their own one. It's always been a Polynesian mug, but they used it out there.
Oh, because
So-
I have that one.
Yeah.
That explains why I have it. I better have have the regular hippopotamus. I can get your shirt.
They have the they have the shirt still.
And then the t-shirt.
Yeah. Got a little bit more there. Lots of good stuff. So we want to walk back and show people where Trader Sam's is.
Yeah, why not?
It's not open yet, so we're doing this early in the day. But
Yeah, you still got 30 more minutes.
I love your Hawaiianette up there. Yeah. Pineapple Princess. It's all good. Huh, I did not know James Garner was in a Disney movie.
I did not either.
So-
I just saw that too.
The more you know. We got Captain Cook's back here, which we love.
Mm-hmm.
Keep swimming. You just keep swimming.
Trader Sam's is kind of hidden on the side here.
And then, yeah.
I go through this loft wall. I'm assuming that's what it is. So 12:30 or 1 a.m. But if it's too busy in there, you can go to the patio outside. Not
But it's
on a day
raining.
like today, though. It's
No.
got umbrellas and stuff, but
Yeah. So that's it from here at the Polynesian. So we're going to take the next monorail stop over to the Grand Floridian. Going to see what they offer there. I know they have a basin. Can't wait to get my scrub on.
I'm there the least amount of these, of the three.
Okay.
I would say I'm here the most because this one's my favorite,
Yeah.
and then the contemporary is probably number two, I think, in amount of time spent somewhere. So I'm interested to see, refresh the old memory,
Well,
and get my hands clean, like you said.
yep, maybe we'll sell you on it. So we're going to go pop on the monorail, and we will see you over there.
Damn, fancy.
Wow, lots to do here. Gosh, I don't even know where to start. Actually, you know what I do? Let's start in the one shop that means absolutely nothing to us, the ladies' shop. Let's go. So. Oh, hi.
Oh, hey.
We're going to have tea.
Oh, going to tea.
How fancy.
One of the things you can do here, have tea. So,
It's not just tea.
it's tea and sandwiches.
Little tiny sandwiches.
Yes.
Extra.
Ooh, sweet meat.
That's Craig's nickname.
Let's go into summer league. Lots of stuff for Mother's Day. Too bad it's over. But my mom's birthday is coming up, so maybe there's something here. Still, lots of stuff.
It's making me feel weird being in
Yeah.
here, just two men.
Here to see what it's like to smell nice. So, that's the best look you're gonna get. Yeah, we got tea time over there.
Oh, is it down here? I thought it was like upstairs.
So the next place we're gonna go is kind of their place with resort merchandise, and it's also got like the food and stuff. It's named after Ryno's mom.
Sandy's go.
So I feel like it's fitting. For all the people who just got married next door. Get your tastings, get your tapas.
Tapas. Oh, this is a cake topper.
Tapas.
I thought it was a cake. I thought it was a sandcastle. Sandcastles in the sand.
The Grand Floridian Society as time goes by. 50 years of American song. 1795. It's got a great set list. Maybe next time I'll put it on my wish list. DVC stuff. That's all that DVC. Get in on that DVC. Unless you don't want to.
Oh, chip.
Got stuff back there too. More foods, phone cases. let's go to the next place. I think we should go upstairs.
Hey.
Movie magic at its best, right? Let's go to the M Mouse Mercantile.
That stands for Mary Mouse?
I believe so. Yeah.
Mortimer.
Okay, here's our Grand Floridian stuff. Downstairs, DVC. Up here, Grand.
Those hats aren't 2 for $100. It's the Nike collared shirts. Oh, ladies.
Like that they have the Mary Poppins mug here.
Well, the elevator has the thing from the umbrella is
Even
the
this
thing
one's
that tells you
cute.
what floor.
Even this one's cute. Grand Floridian branded. I like it. Nice. But look at the fans. I'm with the Grand Floridian row. Very nice. A hat for when you've lost all respect for yourself. More vinyls. Yeah.
Do they have my notebook? No.
No, but they have everything I learned from a Disney Golden book. Wishes coming true. Start with a friend, a true Baloo friend. It's a joke like a true blue, but Baloo.
Gotcha.
It's a terrible joke. Listen, I didn't write the book.
I just published it.
Diane Muldrow did. So, there you got your book.
Someday my prince will come. I think that's the wrong movie.
It
No,
is.
that's the right movie.
No, this is
That's Sleeping Beauty. That's the song she
No,
sings.
it's One Day My Prince Will Come is Snow White. This is Once Upon a Dream.
I know you, I want with you once
What's
upon
the
a
next Disney music challenge?
I'm doing the one this time. I'm governing that one. It's a close call.
It was. It was intense. I think we...
Monorail.
Monorail. Because, you know, mono means one, and rail means rail.
Babies. Babies. I think he's trying to scare me.
Shall we go to Basin?
Yeah, brah.
Yeah.
Gotta get that scrub.
Oh, we just missed it.
Magical moment.
Yeah, we just missed it.
Shoot.
But we didn't because we were here and nothing happened, so... Okay, maybe we didn't.
I think it's happening
wait.
right now,
Oh,
right?
yeah. Oh, look at that.
My dear friends, Princess Cinderella and Prince Charming would now like to invite everyone to join them in a grand waltz. So our young princesses, our young princes, loyal adults, mothers, fathers, all of our guests, take a moment and find a partner you like. Don't be shy. And now, the grand waltz.
I mean, they're not bad. Not half bad, not half good. I like this. It's cute.
Now
It's
they're
an
all
unexpected
dancing.
surprise.
Terrible. Terrible.
Terrible. Scrub time. Let's go get it before Monorail just dumped, so...
I don't want no
Gotta get
scrub.
the scrub.
Scrub is a guy who can't wash his hands clean. Hello. It looks so dark.
That was fun. Okay. Which one do I want to do?
Peppermint.
I don't see peppermint here.
Well, then I'm just gonna burn this place down.
I'm doing Basin white. I'm going classic.
It was grapefruit.
Nope. Already won. Let you go.
30 seconds.
Oh yeah, that grapefruit. That's new, isn't it?
I haven't
They
seen it
always have
before.
grapefruit before?
Maybe.
Now I feel like
There's a vanilla grapefruit over there behind you. A bath bomb.
all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna recommend the grapefruit because Basin white smells like Basin.
Not right.
Not right. But that soft feeling. Oh boy, what a feeling.
Pat them dry.
Pat,
Mr. Pat. Yeah, you don't want to rub it off.
oh no, it exfoliates. Don't you know how this works, Ryno? You can show me right now. It's not for me, but it's for someone. I like that the band's playing right now.
At Meisner. Oh no, outside of Meisner.
Is it Meisner's or Misner's?
I thought it was like. I've been saying Meisner's.
Well, let's walk over there and find out. See, now that Martha's Graveyard isn't the worst place in the world, I think Meisner's actually might be.
I might agree. Got your fine dining here.
Think they'll let me in? Dressed in my beer shirt and my beer hat?
They don't know what kind of money you make.
Lounge so much.
It reminds me of Sadness.
Steve's store. Commander Porter's. There you go. You got your 28 and Main. That's a bright hat. That's very bright. That's a really bright hat. So, but they do have all the 28 and Main stuff here, selection and. So yeah, most of the same stuff at everywhere else. So, you know, unless you're coming for a scrub, this is like the last place. You probably already saw this back at the BVG or at the Polynesian. That's fun. No, socks.
Oh, socks.
They're socks.
Look at the Mickey socks.
Yeah, I like this.
Look at Donald.
I would.
Flippy.
Oh,
I like those Star Wars
angry.
ones. They match my backpack.
They do. That's exactly matching your backpack. Huh. Pick me up a piece of those flip flops. $26. You know, 26 for those. $2 for Old Navy ones. Okay. That's it. That's all that's here.
All right.
That's it.
I'm stopping this now.
Okay.
Right?
Well, so that does it for all of our monorail resort hopping. So we took you around the Contemporary to what you can do if it's raining outside. We took you to the Polynesian, showed you what you could do if it's raining outside. We took you to the Grand Floridian, showed you what you can do when it's raining outside. And now it's not raining, so we can go inside the Magic Kingdom. But you're not going with us today.
No, sorry, just for us.
But we'll be in there very soon. So in the meantime, make sure you like or comment down below what you do on rainy days at Walt Disney World. Share this with a friend, because as we always say now, in the past couple of days, sharing is caring.
It's caring, yeah.
And yeah, go ahead and get out there, even if it's a rainy day, because Disney's always fun, even on the worst of days.
Liquid sunshine.
Yeah. So, see you guys. Thanks.
Bye.